Welcome back to my channel. So ngayon magluluto ako ng chicken. Basta chicken with potato crispy. Yun ang lulutuin ko. Drumstick, something like that. Kasi carbohydrates na yung potato. Tapos may egg na, breadcrumbs, and konting coating ng flour bago mo siya i-fried. Kaya ang tawag sa kanya, chicken potato crispy. Tignan ko kung crispy. Ang lalabas kasi second time ko na siyang ginawa. Nasarapan si Joey. Pang second time ko na ito. Nasarapan si Joey, nagustuhan niya pati ang asawa ko. So ngayon, kailangan ma-perfect ko ito. We'll see. Ito yung aking recipe. Parsley, garlic, onion, seasoning, tapos breadcrumbs, flour, and 1 egg. Simple lang, madali lang siyang lutuin. Kaya antay ko lang yung aking potato kapag na lata na siya, I mean soft. Yun. Mix mo lang siya, mix ng mix. Hanggang sa mag-blend yung kanyang lasa. Yan. At mabango kapag may parsley. Ay! Sorry. Yan. Oh my God, looks like delicioso. Tapos, biyakin ko lang itong itlog. Tapos, kaya, may purpose na isinave ko ang buto. Kasi, iganon mo siya, ibalik mo siya, gawin mo rin siyang drum stick chicken. So, malagkit. Tapos ang matirang meat, gawin ko na lang flat kasi 6 lang yung chicken ko eh. 6 lang yata yan. Yung buto niya. See? Ganyan. Parang chicken lang din. Tapos, kutan mo ng flour. Yan. And then, breadcrumbs. Yan. Ganyan lang po. Ay. Kailangan ilang oras na. Kailangan ko nang umalis. Sunduin ko lang yung anak ko, tapos continue ko na lang mamaya. Ayan. Tapos na po. Ayan, ready to cook. So, 6 nga lang siya. 6 lang yung laman. Tama lang for dinner. May matira pa yan kasi yung asawa ko, hindi ko alam kung kakain siya nito. Pero nakaraan kumain siya. Kailang nagda-diet yun, no? Pero we'll see. Ayan. So, ayan na yan. Ito yung oil na ginagamit ko. Ayan. Nilagyan ko na ng oil. Hindi ako masyadong naglalagay ng oil. Kunti lang. Para hindi siya ayaw ko ng tutak. Masyadong ma-oily. Ayan. Tapos sinahinay lang yung apoy kasi luto na yung chicken. Luto na yung tawag dito. Luto na yung aking chicken crispy potato. Joey, nagmamadali na. Gutom na daw siya. Come on, Joe. Oh, isi-serve ko na. Ayan. So, let's eat for dinner. I said, nagmamadali ka na. Nagmamadali na yung aking anakis. Hoy, say hi to them.
Hi. Hey guys.
Oh.
I'm gonna make a channel. Subscribe to it.
Nainggit. Gagawa rin daw siya ng YouTube.
I'm not kidding you.
Kaya lang hindi pa siya pinapayagan ngayon. Siguro baka summer
It's gonna be a gaming channel. You'll love it.
Spring niya next week. So
I promise you.
we'll see.
You'll definitely love it.
If you're behave, Joe, yeah. But if you're not behaving,
Joey's channel.
you're not listening to Mama.
Something you wanna
Ooh.
show the crowd?
Sure, why not?
Like what? Like what?
Look at Joey, baby.
He's our mascot for the channel. Hello, my name is Kirker. Nice to meet you.
Si Kuya, why you're hiding?
I'm not. Kuya, not
Why
hiding.
you're hiding,
My name
Kuya?
is Kiki. I don't know what you're talking about. Come over here. Ah!
Kiki
I'm
is
going to
makulit.
attack you.
Si Kuya,
I'll bite you, Kiki.
put me down and
Kiki gonna
you can
bite
eat
you.
now, Kuya.
Ah!
Crazy kids. So now you guys can eat.
Subscribe to my channel.
It's Jollibee good. Or you could say in America,
Hold on.
it's finger licking good.
So this is my Jollibee.
This is my Jollibee / KFC.
So what do you wanna say, Mama's cooking? Huh?
It's finger licking good.
No, what do you wanna say? Mama's cooking for that.
Yeah, I know.
What do you wanna say?
Thank you.
Thank
I like
you.
it because it's finger licking good.
Is it cool?
Yeah.
Yan.
By the way,
Yahoo! Kain na po, dinner. Nauna na kami sa asawa ko kasi malilate
it's
na
just
naman daw siya.
potatoes.
Huh? Yeah. Remember I told you? Ako ay magkinamay lang. Kasi meron pala ako, nakalimutan ko may isda pala akong bangus. Na parang yung tawag ito, pinausukan ng bangus. Ano siya? Galing siya ng made siya in Sarangani, Philippines.
Mama,
Mm.
it dropped.
Yeah, because it's potato, of course.
It dropped off.
Yeah, of course.
It felt like
It's
ice cream
soft.
falling off its cone.
No, it's really good. Sabi ko, ayaw ko ng rice. Sabi ni Joey, ayaw di... Sabi ko sa kanya, you don't need rice because, may potato na. So naman, no, Mama, gusto ko ng rice. Eh, kailangan ko may rice, may isda pala ako eh. Kaya na po tayo. Eh, kunting kanin lang na.
I need my rice.
Kunti lang.
Hashtag rice is life.
Pilipino talaga. Hashtag.
Kanin masarap. It's Jollibee good.
Pinapromote mo yung Jollibee, hindi ka naman binabayaran. Di pwede, kumakain tayo. Alam mo, subukan nyo, potato at saka chicken. Lagyan nyo lang ng...
Potato at saka chicken at saka kanin.
Yung nasa video, basta gawin nyo na lang. Tignan nyo yung paano ko niluto. Ang sarap. Super. I love my own.
It's Jollibee good.
Sarap.
Let me show you something.
Gusto mong mag-try ng isda na?
Let me show them something. Filipino way of eating.
Anyway, hindi ko pala nilagyan ng bell pepper kasi hindi ito nakain ng
American way of
manghang.
eating.
No, we're Filipino. Filipino way.
But finally,
Pag kami lang dalawa, Filipino way
watch
kami.
this, watch this.
Pag kasama yung asawa ko, American way.
Fil-Am family.
Mhm.
You touch the rice and scoop it onto your spoon.
So funny, Joe. Oh my God, ang sarap. Ayun ko nga to, parsley. Healthy to eh. Parang gulay na din.
Wait, this makes it healthy?
Yeah, exactly.
It's leaves.
It's parsley, but it's vegetable.
Oh, you eat it with the chicken.
I'm pretty sure you're not gonna like it.
My mom, she makes fruit juice with leaves and celery.
What kind of leaves?
She sometimes
Kale.
even puts strawberry in it.
Kale too.
And then she puts it in.
No, I use the kale and spinach.
What's that thing called?
What, this one?
Yeah.
Lemongrass.
No, the thing behind it.
What, banana? Orange?
Oh.
Apple? You don't know what that kind
The
of fruit?
blender.
Silly. Ah, no. It's not blender.
That is.
Oh, yeah.
She puts all different kinds of fruits and vegetables into the blender.
Because that's healthy. That's good.
She
for you.
even made one with this thing called arugula, and she hated it. This was her face.
Chismoso, you know? Binabantayan na ako niyan.
Oh! Arugula!
Kapag gumagawa ako ng smoothie, kasi everyday talaga ako gumagawa ng smoothie.
Yeah.
Every morning, celery,
It's
nilalagyan
not
ko ng
even a smoothie. It's just fruit juice.
kale or apple, or kale or celery.
Or kale and strawberries.
Yeah, mix it. But sometimes, celery lang talaga. Yung parang inano-ano ko siya. Alternate. Ito, chismoso.
She even did pineapple.
Sabi niya, ew, I don't like that color.
It was super green with bubbles in it. You should make
Binuking mo
a
ako,
video
anak.
on how to make fruit juice.
Yeah, binuking mo ako. Alright, but that's healthy, baby.
Hello, welcome to Teresita's channel. Today we're going to make the Teresita special fruit juice. Today, all you need is celery and grass.
Silly, yeah. Ang tawag niya sa mga dahon-dahon kung nilagay ko dyan sa mga smoothie ko. Grass.
You blend it up, and then you drink it.
My son is funny.
Once you drink it, you can either make this face, yay, it's absolutely good. Or you can make this face.
Nakakatawa. My son's being silly.
So,
What?
how is work?
Work what?
The dog.
I'm not working. The dog is... He's behaved dog.
Really?
Yeah, always. He's always excited to go out all the time.
Did anyone pet him before I got there?
Wait.
Huh?
Oh yeah, they have.
Who?
It's a family. She has a lot of kids.
Oh my god. How many kids?
I think she has like 4.
4? That's
3.
a lot.
Yeah.
But I remember in Japan, there was this family that had like 8 children.
In the church, the one that we saw in the church. That was crazy.
Yeah. That was my friend Carson. He was in the same class as me for 2 years. His name's Carson, and then he has 2 older brothers.
Yeah.
Actually, I think 3. Yeah, 3. One was
Wait, that's
me.
enough rice now. That's not.
Hashtag rice is life.
That's too much. Not good for you. You're gonna get big.
I could die without rice. I'm just kidding.
That's crazy.
Yep. But so, anywho, yeah, it was Carson, Jackson.
We're gonna eat half.
Carson, Jackson. What's another Sun name? Because they all had Sun names.
I don't know. Your classmate?
He had 2 younger brothers and 1 baby sister.
We're gonna eat this parsley. Kasi sayang. Asawa't anak ko hindi kumakain ng ganito. Kung sa Bisaya pa, sagbot daw.
Yeah, so it was
Damo.
Carson, his 3 other brothers, his 2 younger brothers, and I think he has maybe 2 younger sisters because his mother was pregnant when we left.
Right.
And maybe 2 younger brothers, maybe 3
In
younger
Japan?
brothers, or 1 baby sister, maybe 2 baby sisters and 2 younger brothers. But that would make that 8 children.
That's real life.
8 children.
Oh my god, it's really good.
8 children. Actually, I think there was only 2 because there's Jackson and that other guy. Yeah, so there's only 2. Yeah, so 7 children. That's
Okay.
still a lot.
We're not talking about somebody else. So just...
So, Mama.
So, inubos mo na yung kanin?
Watch.
Okay. Kumain ka na.
I'm eating Filipino way.
Pineapple. Pampatunaw. Pampatunaw sa taba.
Pineapple. Pepperoni pizza.
Makulit.
Your favorite color is white, right? Daddy's favorite color is black. Gray.
Your favorite is gray? I'm not sure.
I'm gray. You're white and Daddy's black.
I thought you like red.
What?
I thought you like red.
I don't like red.
Since you're young,
I like blue.
blue. You like red before.
I
Now
like,
you like blue.
I like blue, red, orange, yellow, and green. And white and black. And gray. Because they're colors of Spider-Man. Red, white, blue, black, and gray are colors of Spider-Man.
Mama, ganyan sarap, taro. Busog na ako eh.
Besides,
Madali lang ako mabusog. So
it's red, and then he has gray on the bottom of his feet, and he has black and white for his eyes. Sometimes
Okay.
yellow.
Okay, hold on. So, that's it, guys. Ang sarap, busog na ako. Konting kanin, tapos isang hiwa,
Rice.
tapos plus isda, plus pineapple. Ay my God, busog na. He's behaved daw.
Really?
Yeah, oh.